Hey, Dr. Shoshani here with Darren. He's a new patient today. He came in complaining of neck pain, mid-back pain, and lower back pain. And what we did is we did a comprehensive evaluation. We looked at his posture, and we used this posture screen. And one of the things that we wanted to show you, I don't know if you could see this here, we took a look at his posture from 4 different angles, and his head, which normally should weigh 17 pounds, effectively weighs 53.2 pounds. So that's a lot of pressure on the neck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the Ring Dinger Y-axis manual spinal decompression, which will unload your entire spine, and we're gonna go in and do the rest of your adjustment. So let's have you excited, right? Lay flat on your back. Lay on your back. All right, so this is wet. We got wetted before you came in. And hands here. You look, watch all the YouTube videos. Okay, shimmy down, move down to right there. Okay, so just so you know, these pegs going in are gonna be tight. Okay, and they're designed to hold the pelvis in place. So when I do that decompression, you'll get it all the way down your spine. That's what we're looking for, is that long axis. Oh, sorry. Get in there. Suck it in. There we go. Let me come back. So you're in the tight. Okay. The next part. Bend your knees when it gets appropriate. The whole idea behind this is to flatten out your spine. Can you use a bend? Comfortable? Okay, good. And now comes the fun part. Alright, so you're going to keep your tongue in your mouth, and you're going to breathe in through your nose. Alright, take a nice deep breath in. Good. And wiggle your left toe. That was a good one, huh? Well, it was right. Relax his head down, drop. Perfect. Now come on the other side. Let's get this going. Perfect. Stay right there. Don't move. Still kicking. Wow is what everyone always says. Wow. All right, so we're gonna stay right there. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna lower this, and just so people out there watching this on YouTube can really understand what kind of adjustment that is. I'll help you up, and we'll see. Okay, let me help you out. All right. And you might be sore from that. Okay, stand up and tell me what's different.
I feel straight.
Straight. It's unloading.
Yeah, I feel like
decompressed. Oh wow. So we're gonna go into the other room and resume the rest of the adjustment. Right, let's do it. Yeah, so with new patients that meet the criteria, I like to start out with that adjustment. That'll unload the entire spine. Your neck moved beautifully. Okay, now when we did our leg length check, we had something going on with the pelvis. So the left leg was short. Let me bend this. So stay short. So we had a lumbar and sacrum. So we're going to do the drop technique with you. Not holding back, right? You feel those. Good. Good. There we go. I want to see that leg go up. So lift that leg up, the one that was harder to lift up. That's a lot easier. Much better. Okay. So mid-dorsal, this is from all the sitting, and it was affecting your ribs. So a lot of times people have rib pain. I'm gonna kind of get in there. Breathe in and relax. Bend both your knees. Bend them both. Good. Good. The other one. Good. Breathe in again. And breathe out. Drop this. Good. Got it. And let your air all the way out. Down. Perfect. Flip over and you get the rest of it. Yes, and now, okay, good. So we're gonna feel this from your knee, hold up to your lower back. Relax this, bend this knee. All right. Get the other one. Relax this, bend this knee. You got it. Don't help me here. Relax this elbow. So I have a full body adjustment. We take from the bottom to the top. Relax this elbow. Drop this. Good, and you felt that release. Now sit up facing a muscular man. Sit right here. Evaluate and look at your shoulder. Relax this for me. Good. Relax the shoulder. Bend this. Good. Let's get this other one. Relax this. Don't help me. Bend this. Relax. Good. Stand up. That instrument adjustment turn facing there. Shoulders back. And then back into extension. This is an instrument that helps stimulate the mechanoreceptors and nerve endings in your body to kind of hold that adjustment pattern. Good. Okay, cool. Look at me. Stand up. What's different?
I don't know, I feel loose.
Loose.
Yeah, I feel loose.
Loosey goosey. Try sitting. Let's see if it's a little bit easier. So if when you walked in today, where are you now? Like when you walked in, pain level, decrease in one visit.
Yeah, definitely. It's not as tight as it was.
Good.
You know, full loose.
Okay. All right. So next time you go in, we'll more open.
Posture, straight.
Cool. All right. So we'll see you in the next video. I just wanted to show you what we do here.